If you manage big bang, hard due date, high risk projects, especially if they're in the regulatory space and you're completely fed up with them running late and going hugely over budget, then I've got something that I think would be of interest to you. You see, we've been in this space now for over 20 years. Last year alone, we recovered 8 projects that were running late. And in our live masterclass, I'm going to break down the exact steps that we used to recover a big bang project for the world's largest insurer that was already running 2 years late, and how we saved them hundreds of thousands in cost overruns. Click the link below, join me on the live webinar.